everyone. Thank you very much for coming. You all know that it's a great cause, and thank you for the invitation and having me here for this fundraiser. It's a great cause. We all know that what's been happening in Palestine, and I think they all need our support. They all need our love, and you know, whatever we can do, I think is very, very important. You know, I played cricket for about 20 odd years. Played first class cricket, played all around the world, and I have tried to entertain people in various grounds, various places, various countries. But charities are very close to my heart, and I have been part of a lot of major charities. I'm talking about going back 30 years, Shaukat Khanum, with the Prime Minister Shaukat Imran Khan. We worked really hard in England, we went to US, and we went all over the places to generate money. And I think this cause is a lot bigger than that. I think these kids, what we're just mentioning, the families we're mentioning, they all need us. I think it's time for us to dig deep into our pockets and try to help them whatever way we can. So my request to all of you is to, besides we talk about cricket and we'll talk about other things, Ms. Ness has got a lot of silly questions for me to answer, but you know, just be generous. I think it's crucial, it's very important. That's the reason we gathered. I know we're going to have lots of fun, food, and meeting different people, PR and all that, but I think it's most important part is what we're here for. In whatever way, the auction way, or you know, you want to generate, you don't want to tell your name, whatever way, I think it's very important. So I would like to thank you all, whoever will give whatever, time, money, or whatever. I would like to personally thank that person for his or her generosity. So please help them, and I think it's very important. Thank you very much.